everyone, myself Bhavana. I am from BE first year Computer Science and Engineering. My product name is Medical Syringe. My company name is Carewings Medical Center. This is my company logo. In empathy stage, feedbacks are collecting. Feedbacks are automatic dose calculations, needle replacement, needle-free injections, pre-filled syringes. Define and ideate. Based on empathizing states and considering the feelings and requirements of customers, many new features are to be added to the existing product. They are 2 needle-free injections. Use a laser to create a micro hole in the skin, through which medication is delivered. Use eco-friendly materials in the design and construction of the syringes. Implement verification process to ensure accurate dosing and prevent error. My futuristic product name is Quick Dose. In prototype stage, the real working model has to be manufactured. Due to time constraint, the mentor advised to draw a sketch. The sketch is given below. This is the futuristic medical syringes diagram. Um, it reduces the medication's errors, increased efficiency and productivity, easy to use and administrate. For testing, I request the user of this presentation video to comment your opinion to satisfy the testing stage. Thank you everyone.